Welcome today to Garcia's Lawn Care with another video. I would like to introduce myself as Israel Garcia as an employer on behalf of Garcia's Lawn Care. So today we have an interesting thing that we added to a trailer not that long ago. It's this basket right here. And we have added some accessories to it. We have our air compressor and our 15-gallon gas tank right here that is operated through a battery pump. So this battery pump is wired to the front end of the trailer, and that wire goes